day everyone, my name is V. Stephanie Escobar from DSTMM 106. In this video, we will answer a questions in different real-life situations. This is prepared by Mr. Mark Vertiga. So, let's start. So for the first questions, tell me about a situation where you had to make a thought choice. What was the result of your assessments of that situations? I think the situation where I had to make a thought choice is to choosing a course because I was planning 3 courses when I graduated during my senior high school days. The Bachelor of Science in Law, Bachelor of Science in Tourism, and the Bachelor of Arts in Communications. It was very difficult to choose because all of them were my dream courses, but I was able to decide because of my but I was able to decide because of my friends and family, and I was given the opportunity to think wisely about where I am good at and what I am to know. So that's my decision. That's why my decision is to choose Bachelor of Science in Tourism for my course now. So for the second questions, give an example of a project or assignment where you had to compile data from multiple sources. How did you decide which reference to trust? So, I think one of the example of projects or assignments where I had to compile data from multiple sources is the inquiries, investigation, immersions, or what we call that, or the practical research subject during my senior high school days. Because of the subjects, it is necessary to have intellectual thinking to have able to search for reliable sources connected to our research topic so that our paper output does not become plagiarism, and so I can trust the reference. If this is reliable sources and have some evidence or proof to satisfy me as a student. So, for the third questions, could you provide an instance where you enhance a procedure or solve a problem using digital tools or media? So, what effect did it have? So, I think one of the instance I can provide where I enhance a procedure or solve a problem using digital tools or media is as the grammar checker translator, because me as a student sometimes I find it difficult to make an essay or sentence in a language of English. So for me, this is one of the things that helps me to improve and expand the word I say or write, and they can affect as a good effectively communicator for me as an individual. So for the fourth questions, how do you prioritize tasks when you have multiple deadlines? Could you give an example of how you effectively balance competing priorities? So, being a student, I can prioritize tasks when I have multiple deadlines by knowing my time management, because it's one of the things that helps me to make a task easier, and I prioritize the early deadlines or difficult ones before the long deadlines to have a good output and easier do the task. So, for the fifth questions, how do you think social media influences public opinion? How can you keep informed while avoiding being persuaded by misinformation? being a student, I think social media influences public opinion by quickly amplifying voices and information. Because we know that social media shapes public opinion and frequently procedure echo chambers. And to keep informed while avoiding false informations, and also we need to look for a variety of sources, evidences, or we need to confirming the facts and evaluate materials critically before taking it at a face value. So now, for the last questions, describe a situation where you had to decide quickly but didn't have all the information you needed, and how did you handle it? So, for me, I think one of the situations where I had to decide quickly is when I taking an entrance examination in a PUP or Polytechnic University of the Philippines. During my graduate days, I think I take an exam May 8, 2024, because I didn't review or study the other questions. So I decided to just use my critical thinking and intellectual capacity to answer each situation. And for me, all we need to do is to use our common sense or our own understanding to answer the problem even without informations or the sources. So that's why we can handle the situations and the problems that we need to take.